Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize add passwordless auth with Firebase step by step clearly. To get started with passwordless authentication using Firebase, you need to set up your Firebase project. Begin by navigating to the Firebase console at console.firebase.google.com. If you don't have an account, create one and sign in. Create a new project by clicking on Add Project. Provide a name for your project and follow the prompts to set it up. Once your project is created, click on Authentication in the left-hand menu. Next, click on the Get Started button if this is your first time using Firebase authentication. In the Authentication section, select the Sign In Method tab. Look for the email/password provider and toggle the switch to enable it. Make sure to allow users to sign in with their email addresses. Now, to enable passwordless sign-in, scroll down to the email link, Passwordless sign-in option. Toggle the switch to enable this feature as well. Once enabled, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Next, navigate to your project settings by clicking on the gear icon next to Project Overview. In the settings, scroll down to the Your Apps section. If you haven't added an app yet, click the Add App button. Follow the instructions to register your web app, ensuring to copy the Firebase configuration object. Open your code editor and create a new JavaScript file for your app. Start by importing Firebase into your project by including the Firebase SDK in your HTML file. Next, initialize Firebase using the configuration object you copied earlier. Now, create a function to send the sign-in email link to the user. Use the Send Sign-in Link to Email method from the Firebase Auth library. In this method, specify the email address and the action URL where users will be redirected after they click the email link. Ensure the Handle Code in-app option is set to true. Add error handling to manage any issues that may arise during the email sending process. Once the email is sent, inform the user that a sign-in link has been emailed to them. Next, create another function to handle the sign-in process once the user receives the link. Use the Sign-in with email link method to verify that the link is valid. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.